Welcome to 611 Northwest Silver Buckle Road, Bend, Oregon 97701. This home has nearly 100 feet of Deschutes River frontage with access to fishing and river trails. This home is 1,950 square feet, built in 1980. The dining area leading to the kitchen. Here's the laundry closet on the main level. This is the one bedroom on the main level. Bathroom on the main level. The main level deck that overlooks the river. This is one upstairs bedroom with vaulted ceilings. This is the fourth bedroom upstairs, or the loft, and the upstairs bathroom. This is the lower level bedroom with attached bathroom. The lower level deck that also overlooks the river. This listing is brought to you by H&H Preferred Real Estate. For more information, you can call Curtis at 541-788-2632, or you can check us out on the web at www.centraloregonreo.com or www.bendareaproperties.com.